Hello, my name is Michael, and today I am talking about clothes. So watch and listen. The time is 10 p.m. at night time. Today is Saturday, and outside the weather was sunny, but now it's not sunny, it's dark. Today I am talking about clothes. This is Michelle. Her name is Michelle. Michelle just woke up and got out of her bed. She got out. And now Michelle needs to get dressed. Right now, Michelle is wearing her nightgown and her slippers. Both her nightgown and her slippers are pink. They match. The colour is the same. The colour is pink, but these are clothes you wear in your bed. So Michelle needs to get dressed into other clothes. So first, Michelle needs to take off her nightgown and slippers. Now Michelle needs to put on her undergarments. So she opens her bottom drawer and takes out her bra and underpants and puts them on. Now she needs to put on a t-shirt. Which colour? Purple or pink? Purple. Michelle is going to put on her purple t-shirt. Very nice. What now? Should Michelle put on trousers or a skirt? Michelle is going to put on a skirt. But which one? The long skirt or the shorter skirt? Michelle is going to put on the shorter skirt because she likes the colour. The colour is dark green. Now Michelle is wearing a purple t-shirt and a dark green skirt. Now Michelle needs to put on her shoes. Which shoes should Michelle wear? Red high heels? High heels? This is a high-heeled shoe. It is red. This is the heel. It is very tall. It is very high. But Michelle does not want to wear this shoe because it is not comfy. It hurts, her feet. So Michelle is going to wear her flats, her flat shoes. Good. Now Michelle is wearing her shoes. But her hair is messy. It is not neat. It is not neat. So Michelle needs a bobble. A bobble for her hair to tie it back. Good. Michelle tied her hair back into a ponytail. She used a red bobble to tie her hair back. Good. Now Michelle wants to put on makeup, mascara for her eyelashes and lipstick for her lips. What now? Michelle is going to wear some jewellery. So she opens her jewellery box and takes out a necklace and earrings, and she puts them on. There. Michelle is now wearing her jewellery. Nearly finished. Outside is cold. So Michelle needs a jacket. Her coat. She is going to put on her trench coat. Good. Now Michelle is wearing her trench coat. Now one more thing. Michelle is going to put on her hat. Michelle has one hat. A wide brimmed hat. This is Michelle's favourite hat. Excellent. Now Michelle is fully dressed. She is ready to go. She looks good. Thank you for watching and listening, and I will see you soon. Bye.